This video tutorial is brought to you by TipSquirrel at www.tipsquirrel.com. For all the best Photoshop and Lightroom goodness, follow at TipSquirrel on Twitter or go to facebook.com/tipsquirrel. Hi everybody, Mike Hoffman here, and today we're going to talk about a quick tip for backing up your Lightroom catalog to the cloud. If you're like me, you've probably signed up for at least one and potentially many of the cloud backup solutions that are available today. For example, there's Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Drive, and the soon-to-be renamed Microsoft SkyDrive, among others. These cloud backup solutions all offer some amount of storage for free, and you can pay for additional storage as well. But with all the options out there, I find myself with quite a few gigabytes worth of free storage available to me, and so what to do with it? The answer? Use it to store my Lightroom catalog backups. By backing up your Lightroom catalog locally to a folder that's also mirrored to the cloud, you've got a built-in off-site backup, and that's a good thing. Let's see how it works. Here within Lightroom, I'm going to choose Edit and then Catalog Settings, and on a Mac that would be Lightroom and then Catalog Settings. And here I've got the Catalog Settings dialog box. Looking in the General tab, we can look right to the bottom at the backup schedule. And here we decide when to back up Lightroom. Now we can choose a variety of options here, but what I'm going to do is choose when Lightroom next exits. And then I'm going to click OK. And this is going to force a backup as soon as I exit Lightroom. So I'll go ahead and choose File and then Exit. And this will bring up the Backup Catalog dialog box. Now this is where we choose the location of our Lightroom backups. Now this may be a little bit confusing to you because this backup folder is not available in any of the Preferences or Catalog Settings dialog box. This is the only place you can get to it. And that's a little bit unfortunate, but that's the way that Lightroom works. So here's the backup folder, and you can see that I have mine set to backup to my Google Drive folder in a subfolder called Lightroom Backups. I've got the Test Integrity flag set and the Optimize Catalog flag set. These are both a good idea. But when I choose Backup, this will place my backup into the Google Drive folder. If I switch over to that folder, you can see here that I've got a series of previous backups that I've done, and each one of these folders contains a backup of my Lightroom catalog file. Now that's all that's in this backup is the catalog. This doesn't include any of your images. You'll need to back those up separately. But as soon as I back up my catalog using Lightroom, it goes into the Google Drive folder, and then the Google Drive backup program recognizes it and shoots it right up to the cloud on my Google Drive. This way, if I've got a local hard drive failure, my backup is safe in the cloud. And that's our tip for today, backing up your Lightroom catalog to the cloud. My name is Mike Hoffman. My website is hoffmanartdesign.com. You'll find a variety of photography, Photoshop, and Lightroom tips and tricks and related information there. You can follow me on Twitter at mhoffman2001, and you can find me on Google Plus by simply going to gplusmikehoffman.com. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial.